Want to start making money online is hell damn easy. Subscribe to this channel, make sure you understand every single damn step they are going to see in this video, and then start making money hugely. Everybody wants to start making money online, but something they don't understand is paying attention and watching the video to the end. Once you do that, you'll be able to grab every single thing and be able to make money online today. So in this video now, I'll be showing how to make money online by watching YouTube videos.
Når helgen nærmer seg, spør alle hva jeg gjør da. Jeg hitter kløden som om hverdag var en lørdag. Så mange damer er og drikker.
Okay guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I want to show you how you can make money online just watching YouTube views, just by viewing YouTube videos just for some seconds. So in this video now, after showing this method how to make money online watching these YouTube videos, I'd like you to drop a like on this video and hit that subscription button. Hit that subscription button and hit the notification button to get notified whenever I make more videos like this. Today I just woke up and was caught up with joy, so I decided to make this video for you, my friends, so that you can know how you can make money easy way. What you usually do every single day, every single time. It's actually easy. Remember what I said earlier? Subscribe to this YouTube channel if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, or if you're a newcomer. So let's get on with it. These videos you only have to watch them for some seconds, and after that you'll be paid. Just like this one, which has 59 seconds of views. After watching it, you get your payment. So this is the videos you'll be watching to get money or get paid. So the name of this app is called You Channel. Download it on Play Store or use my description down below, my link to get it. To be easier for you. There are 3 damn processes in this video to make money online, and the first one is downloading this app through my link or through in Play Store, anywhere, downloading it and watching the video. The second step, and the third step is cashing out. So the first step, I'm going to show you how you easily create an account. Okay, let's log out. Okay, I've logged out now. Once you download this channel, once you download this app, this is how it looks like when you want to start creating your account. So all you have to do is click sign in. When you click sign in, you automatically be signing through with your Google account. But before you be able to sign in with this app, you need to have a YouTube channel. But if you can't create one, I'll show you how you can create a channel on YouTube, or check out my videos without stress. What you have to do is click on the profile, the right hand side, the top screen, the right hand side of the top screen. Click on your profile, then you will see create channel. But this one already has a channel, that's why you are seeing your channel. You see create channel here where you have this your channel. When you see create channel, it will pop up. Then you fill in your information, channel will be created. Once you are through with that, you come back to this app. That's when you'll be able to sign in. So when you are done with that, you click sign in. It will bring out that email address you have on that YouTube, the email address you have to use in creating your YouTube channel. So when it pops out, you click it. So my own is Lawrence Tutorials, which I am using for my YouTube videos, or YouTube, whatever. Just need a channel, nothing else. When you click it, your account will automatically be created. Once you've created it, to show the list of videos you watch. So these videos now, when you watch them, you get paid. So let's try it. Let's try one. We asked to watch this video for 45 seconds. So it has started calculating or ticking.
पता होनी चाहिए। वैसे तो आपको बेसिकली सब ही पता होना चाहिए, लेकिन अगर आपको इनके बारे में नॉलेज नहीं है तो आज की इस
As you can
वीडियो
see, it's done. Once it's done, it will automatically bring you back to the app. Once it's done, you get your payment. They pay you with coins. They pay you with coins. When you get the coins, when you look at the top right hand side there, you see the amount of coins I have, which is 2,455. When I give you these coins, at last you convert them into real cash. I'll show you how you can also do that. But first of all, pay attention and continue listening to the end of this video. These videos you're watching now here won't give you what you want, or won't may help you get up to the task that you're required to easily. So I'll be showing you the way you can easily get more coins with this, or how you can accumulate more coins to be able to convert them to be able to reach the required level is fast and easily to be cash out, because you can only you can only cash out when your money when your coin is up to 50,000, 20,000 upwards. From 20,000 upwards, imagine that. It's okay, let's say you can also cash out with 3,000, but 3,000 wouldn't really yield you any money. It's cheap. They don't pay much with 3,000 coins when you reach 3,000 coins. But from 20,000 coins, be sure to get huge money. You're sure to get good money. So once you so for you to be able to get more coins or bigger coins than this, we wouldn't settle for cheap coins every single day, like 45 coins like we just got earlier. So you click on subscribe. These are other things you also do to get the damn coin. So click on the subscribe button here. It will take us to YouTube and start displaying. So although this second is we have to watch this one for more than 75 seconds in order to get the number of coins we need.
So there are many videos you get here. You can watch as many videos as you want. As you can see, it's a recipe of food cooking channel, which you can also gain a lot from this. These are just what you just do on your free normal daily basis. Enjoy yourself with. Yeah, we're ready now. So what you have to do now is subscribe, then return back to the app. You can actually unsubscribe anytime you want to, but so far as you've gotten the point first, you can actually unsubscribe it anytime you want to. So once you're done watching this, your money will also increase. Your coin will increase. So these are just what you have to do. You also click this like and also get huge coins here. So these are just what you have to do and get coins. Just to do and get money. So these are the list of payment, the amount of coins you are required to get paid. So once you are done with this, you have reached the amount the required amount from 20,000 coins upwards. You can now click campaign if you want to withdraw. So but before you do that, check below this video. You see a number on the screen, so that number, copy down the number and add it up on WhatsApp, or you can check it on my description down below. You see the number too. Add it up on WhatsApp. Once you add it up, then you come back to this app, click on campaign down here. Once you've clicked it, you see the red button. You see the red button here, this red button on the right hand side. When you've clicked the red button, you click subscribe, like, views for your channel. Okay, when you click on that, it will bring you to this place where you have to make use of that number. Now this is where you make use of that number on WhatsApp. Screenshot this particular page now on WhatsApp and write them. Either you write the number of coins you've accumulated from 20,000 upwards. Remember I said write the number of coins you have accumulated for them on WhatsApp on the chat. Once you write it, you get a response in less than 30 minutes. You get your response. Once you get the response, I send you a link that you place here. When they send you the link, you place it here. This is the last video. This is the last one I did. This video you're seeing here, this is the last video I did. When you place it here, then you click add. When you click add, it will bring you to this place. Then if you have 3,000, it will show you how much you can set for each amount. If it's when they say the video, you send, if you have like 20,000 coins, you can set it. You can set your subscribers 40 or 50 or 60 or 70 or 80 or even 100. So you select. Okay, let's take 100 now and see how it will go. Okay, you select. Then once you select, okay, let's say let's take 120 seconds. It will give you the amount you need for it to be able to, the amount of coins you need to get it done, which is this one. I need 32,000 coins to get these things now. So once you remember, I said you must have from 20,000 coins up. This one I need 32,000 coins. Once you've reached it, once you're done with it, you click done. When you click to automatically set everything for you, then your campaign will be set. I don't have enough coins, that's why I can't set my campaign. My campaign will be set. Once you are through with that, also screenshot it when it tells you that it is done, or when it tells you that it is your campaign has been approved. You screenshot it and send it to the channel too. Screenshot it and send it to the WhatsApp number too. Once you've done that, in 24 hours you get your payment. In 24 hours you get your payment. It's really easy like that and cool. Really easy. So this you can actually use this app and make huge amount of money. Do this every single time you're free and make free cash, my friends. Thank you for watching this video. I love you. And check out my other videos on how to make money online. It will really help you. It is really cool how you can make money online 2021 by literally playing games, and other ways you can make money.
Når helgen nærmer seg, spør alle hva jeg gjør da.